In today's segment, I will be discussing about organic name reactions. First one is Sandmeyer reaction. When an aromatic primary amine is treated with NaNO2 and HX, we will be getting a diazonium salt which when treated with Cu2X2 gives the corresponding haloarene. Replacement of the diazonium group by iodine does not require the presence of cuprous halide. That is, by simply shaking the diazonium salt with potassium iodide, we will be getting iodobenzene. Next is halogen exchange reaction. Alkyl iodides, they are often prepared by the reaction of alkyl chlorides or bromides with NaI in dry acetone. This is Finkelstein reaction. And next one is Schwarz reaction. The synthesis of alkyl fluorides, CH3F, alkyl fluorides, that is obtained by heating an alkyl chloride or bromide in presence of metallic fluoride such as AgF or Hg2F2 or COF2. Here we are having AgF. So we are having CH3Br plus AgF gives CH3F plus AgBr. This is Schwarz reaction. Next is Wurtz reaction. Alkyl halides, they will react with sodium in dry ether to give hydrocarbons containing double the number of carbon atoms than the starting carbon atom, than the reactant. Next is Fittig reaction. Aryl halides, they give analogous compounds when treated with sodium in dry ether in which two aryl groups are joined together, and this is called Fittig reaction. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction, where we will be discussing about Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation reaction. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, where the alkyl group will get attached to the ortho as well as to the para position. The ortho product is found to be the minor product and the para product is found to be the major product. Here the haloarene is treated with CH3Cl alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. You will be getting 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene, and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene is found to be the major product in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, where the acyl group, that is the COCH3 group, gets attached to the ortho and para position. The ortho is found to be the minor one and the para product is found to be the major product. Here we are having the ortho product is found to be 2-chloroacetophenone and the para product is 4-chloroacetophenone. Here also the reaction takes place in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In Wurtz-Fittig reaction, a mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halide gives an alkyl arene when treated with sodium in dry ether. This is the alkyl arene. So, in Wurtz-Fittig reaction, we are getting an alkyl arene. Next is Kolb's reaction. In Kolb's reaction, the phenoxide ion generated by treating phenol with sodium hydroxide is found to be more reactive than phenol towards electrophilic aromatic substitution. Therefore, it undergoes electrophilic substitution with carbon dioxide, which is found to be a weak electrophile. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid, which is also known as salicylic acid, is obtained as the product in Kolb's reaction. Riemer-Tiemann reaction. In Riemer-Tiemann reaction, on treating phenol with chloroform in presence of sodium hydroxide, a CHO group is introduced in the ortho position of benzene ring. This reaction is known as Riemer-Tiemann reaction. The intermediate substituted benzoyl chloride is hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali to produce salicylaldehyde. Williamson synthesis. This is an important laboratory method for the preparation of symmetrical as well as unsymmetrical ethers. In this method, an alkyl halide is allowed to react with sodium alkoxide, and ethers containing substituted alkyl groups, maybe secondary or tertiary, may also be prepared by this method. And this reaction involves SN2 attack of an alkoxide ion on a primary alkyl halide. The reaction is Rx plus RONA gives ROR plus NaX. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction of anisole. Anisole undergoes Friedel-Crafts reaction where we will be discussing about Friedel-Crafts alkylation as well as acylation. This is alkylation reaction. Here in the case of anisole also, the alkyl group gets attached to the ortho as well as to the para position. The ortho is found to be the minor one and the para product is found to be the major one. Here anisole, when it undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we will be getting 2-methoxytoluene and 4-methoxytoluene. 4-methoxytoluene is found to be the major product. This is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here anisole undergoes Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction where the COCH3 group gets attached to the ortho as well as to the para position and the para product is found to be the major one. Para product is 4-methoxyacetophenone. Next is Rosenman reduction. In this reaction, the acyl chloride, that is the acid chloride, is hydrogenated over catalyst palladium on barium sulfate. Here C6H5COCl in presence of, that is hydrogenated in presence of catalyst over BaSO4, you will be getting benzaldehyde. In Stephan reaction, the nitriles, they are reduced to the corresponding imine. RCH double bond NH is imine with the stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid. This one hydrolysis gives the corresponding aldehyde. ITAD reaction. In ITAD reaction, chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride oxidizes the methyl group to a chromium complex C6H5CHOCrOHCl2 twice, and which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding benzaldehyde. Clemmensen reduction. The carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketones, they are reduced to CH2 group on treatment with zinc amalgam and HCl in Clemmensen reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. In Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction, the carbonyl group of aldehyde and ketone is treated with hydrazine. Again, it is treated with sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in high boiling solvents such as ethylene glycol. So, the CO group gets reduced to CH2. Cannizzaro reaction. Aldehydes which do not have a alpha hydrogen atom undergoes self-oxidation and reduction. That is disproportionation reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while the another is reduced to carboxylic acid salt. This is Cannizzaro reaction. What is the speciality of Cannizzaro reaction? Aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen will alone undergo self-oxidation and reduction on heating with concentrated NaOH or KOH to give one alcohol and carboxylic acid salt. This is also an example of Cannizzaro reaction where benzaldehyde, two molecules of benzaldehyde, when it is heated with concentrated NaOH, we will be getting benzyl alcohol and then sodium benzoate.